Okay, so I bought the 53 quart power, Setpower. This is the second one I bought. The first one was a 40 liter. This one is a 53 liter. I've got it set on 0 degrees. We're showing 2 degrees. It's been sitting in the heat in the truck all day. We're still at 0 degrees. I have ice cream. Ice cream's froze. I have water in the fridge side. Water still liquid. So, Setpower 53 liter. It says it ranges from 0 to 50 degrees. I keep it at 0. It fluctuates by maybe a couple. It was in the heat when I got to the truck. It was 4 degrees. So for a truck to be closed up in the sunlight, as you can see, and still be at 4 degrees, it's a pretty good setup. You cannot hear it run. It keeps the refrigerator stuff separate from the freezer. As you can see, the refrigerator, the ice water in the fridge was still liquid. The stuff in the freezer was frozen. I definitely would recommend it. This is the second one I bought. If you need a good RV or something to go on a picnic or a trip with, your Setpower is definitely the way to go. See if I can get it on here. Setpower, there you go. Temperature, you have your max and your eco. You can change it right here with the setting. Go to eco or max. You change your temperatures here and your power. Definitely I recommend it. I would buy it again. I have bought it again. So definitely worth your money. $339. The only regret I had is right after I bought this one for $339, there was a $30 coupon and I couldn't get to it. But anyway, definitely worth the money at $339. Definitely an asset. I drive a truck, 18 wheels on the road. I keep my frozen stuff in here for food and stuff. So yeah, definitely a very good investment.
The ice cooler makes noise all the time. They said it was quiet, but this is not a quiet cooler. The capacity is not all that big either. I'm housing a bunch of crabs in here. So you can see, and it ices up. I didn't anticipate that it would be. I would have to be defrosting the cooler. I don't like defrosting refrigerators. Although it's nice. This is the 30 quart, and I really expected it to be a little bit bigger than this. So they said 30 quarts, but the part that's the freezer from here to here is not 30 quarts. So 30 quarts probably need from here, from the empty component to the freezer, from the refrigerator component to the freezer. So although it's a nice freezer, it's well built. You can hear this squeaking throughout the house. It's early in the morning, it woke me up. The battery pack also gets very hot. So All clear.
Everything nice and cold. "37 degrees and had it on all night." So I got this thing set on 28. Big hot. I got it wired in the back of my truck. Cold. So cold. Open my drink and got a little slush in there. So it works great.
This thing was supposed to work over an extended period of time. Has my dog food in it, and all of my dog food has expired now. There was more, but I had to throw it out, and it stinks.
Just started it up.